last lecture we started the second topic, that is study of major diseases. The study of major diseases, we start the first disease, that is the foot and mouth disease, that is FMD. The disease is also known as the Kurkut and is the highly contagious, is the viral disease of the cloven-footed animals. In the introductions, then disease is caused by the virus, the picorna virus, and there are 7 strains of the picorna virus. Next is the transmissions. Disease is spread by the contaminated feed and the waters. After transmissions, next is the symptoms. The major symptoms are the high fevers, vesicles and ulcers are found in the tongue, dental pads and oral mucosa, and vesicles and ulcers and the interdigital space and the carnate, lameness and affected legs and the stamping on feet. After there is the control measures. Control measures with the preventions. First is the control measure, the preventions of disease. Then the first is the isolation and treatment of affected animals. Isolation and treatments of the affected animals. बघा आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये समजा आपल्याकडे ज्यामध्ये 50 एनिमल्स म्हणतो आपण एका हॉर्ड मध्ये आपण 50 एनिमल्स. जर एखादा एनिमल्स एखादी सफरिंग फ्रॉम द डिसीज, समजा एक डिसीज एनिमल आपल्याला एफएमडी झाला म्हणतो आपण, these animals should be isolated किंवा आपल्याला सेपरेशन्स कारण त्यामध्ये सो डिसीज इज द कॉन्टॅजियस डिसीज. कारण जे आपण तसे जो हॉर्ड ठेवलं काही एकापासून दुसऱ्यापासून तिसऱ्या द डिसीज मे बी द स्प्रेड्स. द फर्स्ट द कंट्रोल मेजर्स is the isolation and treatments of the immediate treatment द्यायला पाहिजे. symptoms वाटले, these animals should be isolated or separate from the herd and immediate treatment should be given. Second, restriction of the animal movement in the affected area. The restrictions of the affected animal into the affected areas. Particularly आपल्याला एक परत आपण the classification of disease आपण pandemic बघितलं आपण epidemic बघतो. So the disease can be spread. So the second is the restrictions of the animal movements. Next is the disinfections of animal shed. बघा आपण घरी सुद्धा बघा आपण पूर्ण फरशी आपण तिथे आपल्याला डिसइन्फेक्ट आपल्याला डेटॉल यूज करतो. सो these animal shed or the cattle shed should be disinfected. The disinfections of the animal shed. Next is the vaccinations. आता आपण ह्यूमन बीइंग्स तर प्रत्येक लहान मुलापासून बघितलं आपण तर जन्मल्यापासून आपल्याला इथं वॅक्सिन देतो आपण. तर वॅक्सिन कशामध्ये देतो आपण इथं फ्युचरमध्ये आपल्या याच्यामध्ये डिसीज याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला इथं होऊ नये म्हणतो आपण. इथं नेक्स्ट इथं त्या मेजर डिसीजला घेतला आपण इथं वॅक्सिन्स इज अवेलेबल्स. इथं वॅक्सिनेशन शुड बी डन्स. So the restrictions of the suckling of calves. Suckling of the calf or from the is affected mothers. So the transmission So the suckling calves may pick up the infections from his dam or mothers and the mothers. Next treatments is the cattle shed must be clean and dissipated. Next is the human movements to and from infected premises must be reduced the minimum infections. Next is the calves should not be allowed to suckle in the affected mothers. So there are the control measures. So the common control measures डिसीजची मॅक्झिमम अप्लाय केला द स्लॉटर म्हणजे काय द स्लॉटर ऑफ द अफेक्टेड एनिमल्स. आपण कत्तल केलं आपण द स्लॉटरिंग should be done in the disease the animals is suffering from the particular contagious disease. So there are the control measures. After control measures, next there is the treatments. Treatment should be given on the basis of the symptoms. So the treatments, so there are the no specific treatment of this FMD disease. So there are the no specific treatments of the disease. However, broad spectrums, the antibiotics should be given. So antibiotics should be given. बघा आपल्याकडे एक स्पेसिफिक ट्रीटमेंट त्याच्यामध्ये आपण त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त आपल्यामध्ये अँटीबायोटिक्स शुड बी गिवन. कशासाठी आपण टू अवॉइड एनी कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स. the antibiotic should be given to avoid to speed up the recovery. कारण आपल्याला रिकव्हरी लवकर व्हायची आहे. To avoid the complications, the antibiotics should be given. Example of the antibiotics. First is the injections, the oxytetracycline. हे नाव लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे. कारण त्यामध्ये antibiotics प्रत्येक मॅक्झिमम डिसीज आपण त्यामध्ये antibiotics आपल्याला स्पीड अप द रिकव्हरी and avoid the complications. So the treatments broadly antibiotics should be given. Example is the injections the oxytetracyclines at the rate of the 4 to 5 milligrams per kg. So these oxytetracyclines should be given at the rate of the 4 to 5 milligrams per kg body weight. That the iron for 3 to 5 days. So the ions means that the intramuscular. So the injections of the antibiotics should be injections oxytetracycline should be given at the rate of the 4 to 5 milligrams per kg body weight intramuscular for 3 to 5 days. Again the mouthwash. बघा पहिल्यापर्यंत याच्यामध्ये फूट अँड द माउथ दोन्हीकडे आपल्याला त्यामध्ये फूटला ट्रीटमेंट द्यावं लागेल आणि माउथला आपण ट्रीटमेंट्स द्यावं लागेल. द माउथ वॉश त्याच्यामध्ये विथ 1% KMnO4 solution. So the mouthwash add the 1% in the KMnO solution or 2% sodium bicarbonate solutions or 2% is the sodium bicarbonate solutions with the mouthwash and is the foot wash. Mouthwash and is the mouthwash 1% is the chemical solutions or 2% is the sodium bicarbonate solutions or foot wash at the 2% copper sulfate. 2% is the copper sulfate or 2 to 4% sodium carbonate solutions. These are the treatments. In antibiotics, the injections oxytetracyclines, mouthwash, 1% KML solutions, foot wash is the 2% is the copper sulfate solutions, and is the apply fourth is the apply the mixture of the coal tar. Apply the mixture of the coal tar and copper sulfate at the ratio of the 5:1. So apply the mixture of the coal tar and the copper sulfate at the ratio of the 5:1% on food lesion. Lesion म्हणजे काय आपण the lesions जर आपण तिथं मिक्सर should be applied with the lesion चट्टे पडले आपण lesion म्हणजे आपला चट्टा आपण तिथं. So there are the treatments, there is the no specific treatments. However, broadly antibiotics should be given to speed up the recovery of the disease and to avoid the complications of any disease particularly. And the mouthwash, foot wash and the mixture of the coal tar and copper sulfates. So they are the treatments of the disease. So after treatments, vaccinations बघा आणि मेजर डिसीजला बघा आपण इथं वॅक्सिन्स इज अवेलेबल. कारण आपल्याला मेजर डिसीज घेतला आपण इथं FMD आहे, HS नोरोसेप्टिसिया, इथं अँथ्रॅक्स, BQ and the mastitis. So there are the major disease त्याच्यामध्ये वॅक्सिन्स याच्यामध्ये अवेलेबल असतात. तो सुद्धा वॅक्सिनेशनचा उद्देश काय बघा आपण इथं प्रिव्हेन्शन इज बेटर दॅन द क्यूर. बघा आपण ह्युमन बीइंग्स आपण लहान मुलाला आपण जन्मल्यापासून सुद्धा पोलिओ घेतला. आपण पोलिओचं आपण 2 ड्रॉप्स आपण याच्यात टाकतो. तर मेन उद्देश काय त्यामध्ये फ्युचरमध्ये कारण तरी वॅक्सिनेशन आपण त्यामध्ये केव्हा द्यायची की आपल्याला प्रत्येक वर्षी 2 वर्षाला एकदा पण तिथं वॅक्सिनेशन शुड बी गिव्हन. So the vaccinations, the Raksha FMD vaccines. So these vaccines is available. The Raksha the FMD vaccines should be available at the rate of the 3 ml subcutaneous. बघा आपल्याला subcutaneous and the intramuscular दोन्ही आपण So the vaccines, the Raksha FMD vaccines should be given at the rate of the 3 ml the subcutaneous every 6 years. The Raksha vaccine at the rate of the 3 ml subcutaneous every each 6 months, that is the September and October or March and April. So the vaccines is available. So the Raksha FMD vaccine should be given at the rate of the 3 ml subcutaneous every 6 months, that is the October, November or March, April. So we completed the first disease. There is the major disease, there is the FMD. So बघा आपल्याला प्रत्येक डिसीज मध्ये घेतला आपल्या याच्यामध्ये त्याचं इंट्रोडक्शन्स असणार, याचं डिसीज कॉज काय, ट्रान्समिशन, सिम्पटम्स, कंट्रोल मेजर्स, ट्रीटमेंट्स and vaccinations. So today we completed the first disease, that is the FMD or foot and mouth disease. or it is also called as the khurkups. So Marathi आपण the khurkups. So the next lecture we started the second disease, that is the Rinderpest. That is the Rinderpest. Thank you.